it is the end of the month. If you've been following me for a long time, you already know we are getting ready to do our monthly grocery shopping. This summer is going to be a little different because I am not going to be heavily meal prepping, at least for the beginning of the summer. I don't know if you guys know, but you should know, June is my birthday. So June, I really like to celebrate me. I am not going to stress myself out and try to meal prep, especially because I know I'm not going to be home as often. So my grocery haul this month is going to be a lot of grab and go items, a lot of staples that I usually have on deck. I will be doing a little mini challenge if anybody wants to join. Since I'm not going to be meal prepping as often, I'm going to challenge myself to consistently track my macros and to hit 10,000 steps a day, because I'm not sure how I will be working out, just depending on what I'm doing each day. I just really want to prove to you the power of consistency and just adjusting as you go. I am now on like a weight loss journey and I'm going to be traveling, so I need to be more intentional. But after you comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and head to Costco and get into this haul. So we just finished talking to Dominic. So our budget for like household items is going to be $100. And then our budget for groceries is going to be $200. And we like kind of roughly went over just now what we're going to buy. So let's head in the store. I haven't been to Costco by myself in so freaking long. So I'm going to like take my time and walk around and, see what I want to buy, because I truly don't know. This is the first time I'm kind of like going without a list, so we're gonna see how that works out for me. I honestly wasn't expecting it to be this packed, but some reason Costco's always packed at every time of the day, so that's kind of unfortunate. A good thing about coming here on a Thursday is that all the carts are here. Thank God. Hi. Thank you. Since I'm not meal prepping, me and Dominic are going to be eating the same meals. And the only thing he told me is to not get anything that's like veggie. So like no veggie burgers, no black bean burgers, nothing that has like any hint of healthy in it. So we're going to try to keep it simple with the proteins. I'm thinking salmon, chicken. I got to get garbage bags. We are finally home, and I'm gonna go over what I bought, why I bought it. But before I get into that, I actually kind of want to go over kind of like this challenge that I've been talking about. I will be consistently tracking my macros as well as hitting 10,000 steps a day. This is not really about being perfect. I just know in June I'm going to be celebrating me, and I'm not going to make unrealistic expectations and expect myself to make it to the gym 5 days a week. That's just not realistic, especially because I will be turning 25 and I will be celebrating outside. I really want to prove to you guys that consistency works, starting with your structure. You can still adjust and you don't have to start over when life gets busy or chaotic or when it's the summertime. So that means I won't be meal prepping this month. I'll be more so simplifying my routine. I'm going to be eating foods that I still enjoy inside my house and outside my house, making sure I hit 180 grams of protein per day. day. Now, the first step of this challenge, guys, is deleting the Uber Eats app, deleting the DoorDash app. If you have Grubhub, deleting the Grubhub app, okay? So if you said, oh, I'm gonna try this challenge with her, well, go ahead and pull up your phone right now, baby. I'm so sick and tired of wasting money for convenience. Like, let's stop being lazy and paying for convenience and just do the damn thing ourselves. So for the next 21 days, I will be testing this out with you guys and proving to you that it will work. Now let's move on to the grocery haul. I spent $210 on all the groceries that I purchased. These are basically high protein summer picks that I feel are great for the summer. A lot of light foods and no meal prep required. Starting off with my typical, I get my Greek yogurt, I get my Chobani drink. Like, that's usually my go-to staples in my kitchen. Something different that I did get this time, I got GoGo Squeeze Active. I actually never knew that GoGo Squeeze made an active, type of drink. But I used to drink the little one, like the little flavors. So when I seen this, I'm like, oh, hell yeah, I'm going to pick this up. It's filled with electrolytes, so it's perfect to grab and keep in my bag during the summer in a little cooler. For breakfast options, I got some of Dave's white bread. I did not want to get the multi-grain one because I prefer white bread, so I'm going to get the white bread. And then to pair with it, I usually like to do like white bread with some butter and like a jelly. So this round, I'm going to be trying the Smash. It's a superfoods jelly that I'm going to be using as a quick breakfast option when I really don't feel like eating breakfast, but I'm going to go work out. So it's a nice little, cool little get something in your stomach and call it a day. To go along with my Greek yogurt, Dominic actually requested that I bring back my mango cheesecake situation. I was testing out that recipe. It tastes just like Yoplait, so I'm going to remake that. I think I'm going to make it like into a sorbet, and I'm just going to make that weekly and pop it in the freezer. So whenever it is hot, like today, we can just grab some, maybe make them like into popsicles. So we have a lot of options, but literally it's mangoes and then Greek yogurt and a couple other things that I'm not giving you the full recipe because that is a summer exclusive for my one-on-one clients. So moving on. Another thing I got as like a snack option, kind of breakfast most likely, is Uncrustables. Now, before you come for me, I don't care what you say. It's a good snack. 10 grams of protein. I'm probably going to just have one a day. Honestly, y'all, I just sneak snacks from when I'm outside. Like, that's truly what it is. So, like, these kind of snacks, the GoGo Squeeze, the Uncrustables, these are literally things that I could take with me on the go, so I don't have to be eating out and spending money unnecessarily. Doesn't mean I'm not going to eat outside. I got the Kirkland breakfast sandwiches. It has egg, cheese, bacon, on like croissant bread. So I got that. I think it comes with 8 in a pack. And I'm super excited for that because that's something that Dominic can also grab and go. And he's a picky eater, so I knew that was something that was high in protein that he can have for breakfast. Now let's get into our protein options. I did a majority of fish. Now, I was not intending to walk up in there and get fish. I'm not gonna lie. But I kind of was intending to walk up there and get fish because when you think about it, I've been eating a lot of lean protein lately. I've been rotating ground turkey and I've been rotating chicken. I've been having that for the past 2-3 months. I'm ready for a change. So we are moving back to fish. So I got some salmon burgers. I also got some tortilla crusted tilapia. I got beer-battered cod. Oh my gosh, I love cod. I am so freaking excited for all these proteins. I did end up getting chicken just in case I get tired of the tilapia or the fish. I got lightly breaded chicken fillets. I'm thinking of just making quick wraps with that or salads. Honestly, Dominic is huge on salads, so it's just a quick option just to grab and go. A lot of these things that I bought can be made in the air fryer. And that brings me to the next thing I got, which was these crispy chicken tacos. Oh my gosh. I basically picked it up because it looked good. I think we're going to start the month off with those crispy chicken tacos. They look so good. You pop them in the freezer, and it's 2 tacos per serving. And it's literally just shredded chicken and cheese. I'm so freaking excited for that. June is about to bust down. I love all my protein choices. I think everything I got Dominic is going to love. It's very grab and go friendly. So I'm very excited about this haul. I think for me, I'm most excited about these crispy shredded tacos right here. I actually think I'm gonna taste these tonight because these look so good. I am ready to tackle my goals this summer and really hit my goal weight at the end of summer. So if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, please. Because I don't know how you're watching this full video and not subscribed. That's weird energy. After you're done subscribing, go ahead and comment below what item you are most looking forward to see me try. Yes, I'm not meal prepping, but doesn't mean I'm just gonna eat these bland, okay? I'm already brainstorming recipes in my head. Thank you guys for watching this video and following along in my journey. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Bro, this looks so good.